Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. And this vlog is just going to be about a whole bunch of different things. I am about to take this off. I have to wash my frontal. And if this was a wig, I could just take it off, wash it, and keep it moving. But because it's sewn in, I have to wash it and then dry it and do all of that stuff and then kind of lay it back down. So, all right, so this is what it looks like. Now I am going to blow dry it because, whew. This sucker was dirty. And she just washed it not even a week ago. So just stay tuned to see what this is gonna look like after I finish. Hey, so I'm going to speed the video up around this point only because it takes a while for me to kind of go through this process of laying my frontal back down. And if I let it run regular, I promise it will be an hour-and-a-half video. So here you go. So this is what I look like. So let's see. Hopefully.
At 3 or Friday at 3:30. Mom. Did you just hear that?
She's talking to me about this.
He said today at 3 or Friday at 3:30. I have an eyelash appointment at 3:30 on Friday.
So today at 3?
I guess so.
Yeah. All right, so it's not too bad. My eye, I don't even know. Can y'all see this thing? Oh my goodness.
Happy Friday to you, everyone. Welcome.
My daughter is in her virtual class in here. So that's what y'all hear.
If you have not already, and I know a couple of you already have, so thank you.
So me and Kiana are going to carve pumpkins. Carve. My pronunciation is terrible. So we're gonna do pumpkins today because I did do that video before, but it was blurry. Like, I don't know if I'm not focusing properly. But so just look out within the next day. Well, today is Thursday, so I do want to post this before Saturday because Saturday is Halloween. So I am definitely going to try to get it. I'm going to try to get it out this evening or tomorrow. So just try to make myself look a little presentable. I need to figure out what I can put in my eye because it's red. I might have to put my glasses on. I do wear contacts, which be for seeing. So I'm going to go ahead and get me and her prepared for pumpkin carving. I'm excited. So stay tuned. Hey, I'm back. So I am currently, Kiana has another interview with, she had an interview with a place called Expectation, which they were looking for someone to do day shift. Kiana is a high school student. She can't go there in the middle of the day. So now she has an interview with Chick-fil-A. So, pretty excited. Crossing my fingers. My baby will have her very first job. I'm excited for her. So, just excited. This lazy dog. Look, this is what my dogs do. Why is he just chilling? Milo. Look, his ears perk up, but he don't lift his head for nothing. So, I'm now ironing her shirt and stuff so she can get ready to head out the door. So, I will let you guys know if she got the job. So, I am about to make some vegan tuna. And it's made with garbanzo beans. Let's see if I'm clear. Yes, so I make it with garbanzo beans and nutritional yeast. I have some vegan mayo, black salt, which gives it a eggy type taste, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and then I have nori, which is like the seaweed strips, which I'll show you that in a minute. So I am going to put this together. So here I am just speeding it up again so you can see just me making my vegan tuna. Because like I said, this video would be extremely long. So enjoy the music. the open face sandwich. And then here go my toast. And then tuna. I like the end piece. I'm fine with that. And then I was gonna put sorry. And then I put a little bit of sriracha. This is a pretty good hot sauce. It really is. So, and I just put a little bit of that across the top. And voila, this is my open-faced sandwich, which I love. So I Bon Boutique. Let me see what I got right here. Oh, here we go. Okay, so this is my open face sandwich, which got a piece of hair on my face. Which usually, like I said, I can put avocado on it and it tastes really good, but I definitely like. So there you have my vegan tuna, which is a quick, simple, and easy recipe to make. I'll put the ingredients below. And like I said, I don't really measure. I just kind of put it in there because, yeah, I don't do a whole bunch of cooking. Just not a fan of doing a whole bunch of cooking. So, hope you enjoyed it. Hello, hello, hello. My teenage daughter, Kiana, will be doing a two-sided pumpkin. So I'm absolutely excited. So here we go, about to carve pumpkins. And like I said, I had to speed it up. Now, by now, I have already went to the doctor to get my eye checked because, oh my goodness, that thing was so red and I couldn't get rid of it. Yes, the girl got pink eye, so now I gotta stay away from everybody and not touch. Enjoy the pumpkin carving. So we almost finished doing the pumpkin, and I inserted a picture because this was the 2 pumpkins that me and Kiana did. And I told you the video was extremely blurry, so I did not want to keep that video. So I just went ahead and pulled the pictures because we both did good. She did the face, I did that ghost. So now we have 3 pumpkins, and I mean, I just love it. It's so awesome. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is Kiana's side. That's so cute how she got it with a big mouth. And let's see if my side, oh, wow. Okay, my side don't look that bad. That don't look that bad at all. So, as y'all can see, me and Kiana did I mean, it ain't a professional job, but I think we did pretty good. She freehand her side, so I like how she just got like somebody, it looked like somebody yelling. So it's pretty cool. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So thank you so much for watching.